Hey everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'll show you how to invite your friends in Fishdom so that you can enjoy the game together. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Fishdom app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, on the main screen, go ahead and tap on to a human icon located at the bottom left, which looks like this. And this will open up this menu where you need to tap on friends from the left hand side. Now, click the invite button at the bottom left, and then you can use the invite options displayed. You can invite people via Messenger or simply tap on invite option and copy your invitation link by tapping copy, and then open up any messaging application or even the SMS app on your mobile device and paste in the link to your friend that you want to invite. Simply select a contact and in the conversation thread, paste in the link and send it to the person you want to invite to the game. Your friend will need to accept the invitation, and once they do, they'll be added to your friend list in the game. And that's it. That is how you invite your friends to Fishdom. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.